The I.R. Coelho case, 2007, is a landmark Indian Supreme Court judgment that fundamentally strengthened the doctrine of basic structure and reasserted the power of judicial review. The case, formerly known as I.R. Coelho, dead, by L.R.'s v. State of Tamil Nadu and Oz, dealt with the constitutional validity of laws included in the ninth schedule of the Indian Constitution. Facts of the case. The ninth schedule was originally added to the Constitution in 1951 to protect land reform laws from being challenged in court for violating fundamental rights. Over time, however, successive governments began to use the schedule as a means to grant blanket immunity to various other laws, including some that were not related to land reforms, from judicial scrutiny. The petitioners in the I.R. Coelho case challenged the validity of several laws that were added to the ninth schedule, arguing that they violated the basic structure of the Constitution, particularly the fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3. Legal issues. The central question before the nine-judge constitutional bench was, can laws included in the ninth schedule after the Kesavananda Bharti case, April 24, 1973, be subjected to judicial review? This was a direct test of the judiciary's power to review constitutional amendments and the parliament's power to grant immunity to laws. Judgment and rationale. The Supreme Court delivered a unanimous verdict on January 11, 2007, and held the following. No blanket immunity. The court declared that the ninth schedule does not provide an absolute shield for laws against judicial review. The immunity is not unlimited. Basic structure doctrine. The court reaffirmed that the basic structure doctrine, as established in the Kesavananda Bharti case, applies to all constitutional amendments, including those that place laws in the ninth schedule. Judicial review is part of basic structure. The court explicitly stated that the power of judicial review is itself a fundamental and essential feature of the Constitution. Therefore, Parliament cannot use its amending power to destroy or damage this feature by placing laws in the ninth schedule. Impact test. The court laid down a new test, stating that laws included in the ninth schedule after April 24, 1973, could be challenged and struck down if they violate or abrogate the basic structure of the Constitution. Significance. The I.R. Coelho case is considered a monumental decision because it reaffirmed the supremacy of the Constitution. It established that the Constitution is supreme, and not Parliament. Limited Parliament's power. It restricted the Parliament's ability to arbitrarily place laws in the ninth schedule to avoid judicial scrutiny, thereby checking legislative overreach. Protected fundamental rights. It fortified the protection of fundamental rights by ensuring that they cannot be taken away even through constitutional amendments aimed at placing laws in the ninth schedule. Solidified the basic structure doctrine. It settled the long-standing debate on the scope of the basic structure doctrine, making it clear that it applies not only to constitutional amendments but also to the laws placed under the ninth schedule.